Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create payment link with Stripe. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to stripe.com and log into your account. Alright, so once you have logged into your account, on the left hand side you can see the various options. All you have to do is click on more, and here you can see the payment links option. Click over here and you'll get out on this page. So once you're on this page, just click on create test payment link and now select a product. So I'm just going to add a product. I'm going to give it a price and I'm going to add this product. Okay, you can fill in the advanced options over here, and after you have done all that, just click on create link, and there you go. Now this is your payment link. So I'm just going to copy paste over here. As you can see, now this is how you can create payment link with Stripe. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.